Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through the best Android app for book reading. Here are the best two Android apps for book reading, each catering to different preferences and formats. So the first app is Kindle. This is best for ebooks and Amazon Kindle purchases. Features: access to millions of books from the Amazon store. Sync progress across devices. Adjustable font size, brightness, and background color. Why have to choose it? This is great for avid readers and those already in the Amazon ecosystem. And lastly, Google Play Books. This is best for ebooks and audiobooks from Google Store. Features: one-time purchases, no subscriptions. You can upload your own ebooks, PDF, or EPUB. Built-in dictionary and translation tools. Why you choose it? It seamlessly integrates with your Google account. So now, let's cover the basics of using Google Play Books. Open the app and make sure to sign in with your Google account. Buying or adding books. Tap the home icon to explore ebooks and audiobooks or by going to the shop. Search for specific titles, authors, or genres. Add your own books. Upload EPUB or PDF files from your device or Google Drive. Just go to your library to view your personal uploads. Reading an ebook. Go to the Library tab and tap on the book to open it. To reveal more options, tap on the screen, then tap the A icon to use the zoom function or change the lighting. Bookmark pages. Tap the bookmark icon in the top right corner to save a page. Highlight text and take notes. Long press to highlight, underline, or add notes. Using audiobooks. Go back to your library, then find the audiobook. You can filter to find the audiobook by tapping Format. Choose Audiobooks. Tap on an audiobook in your library and press play. Adjust playback speed. Use the speed control and adjust the slider to achieve the faster or slower listening. Set a sleep timer. Tap the clock icon to stop playback after a set time. Exporting and sharing. Just tap the three dots, then choose Share a book's link with friends via share option, but they'll need to purchase it separately. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.